My MK, we are now on the right track, and the enemy is feeling us. The enemy is giving up to pressure. But we need more discipline than what we see now. I see MK soldiers starting to have a standoff, a fight with SAPS. The following will be SNDF. Then we'll get to Marikana situation. There are comrades who are not happy inside, who start to speak about divisions. But I want to say, we need to be more disciplined than what I'm seeing now. We can't be shouting each other on TikTok. Let's keep calm. Let's keep calm. Let's keep focus. Singabhenguzi manje. Ithina esizonikeza inemi intuba yokungena. And soyithola intuba izoshaya izosiginqa. We are beginning to lose focus. Keep low, man. December 2026 in front of us. All our energies should go to 2026. Jacob Zuma is just one person. He cannot solve all problems for us. He needs our brains too. He needs our discipline too. He needs our focus. He needs our selflessness. It seems personal interests are taking over revolutionary interest now. Discipline, my soldier. As long as I be hyper, I see everyone becoming hyper now. We are becoming now our fierce attacker. We are starting to self-attack through the level of criticism we put on ourselves, while we still have to change the minds of the people to vote MK. While we still have ANC fighting on the ground to push back pressure we've put on them. It's too early. It's too early, my social, to start complaining about everything in the MK. It's too early. Focus. Focus, my MK. Focus. 2026. Sithi Zulu alekiso yena nasiqu salo. Asingafocus kwisiqu sethu njengamanje. Abanye bakhuluma ngo-conference ngapha, abanye bakhuluma ngama-gatekeepers ngapha, abanye bathi bakhuluma bakhala ngabehlisiwe. Yo, are these the things that are going to make us to be a preferred party during 2026 election? Are these the things that boost confidence amongst people that MK will change their lives? That's the language you should be speaking now. The cat fight is not going to help us. The cat's fight is not going to help us. Discipline. Masosha mkondo. Masosha mkondo. Singisho lawa ngena ku-uniform. Discipline. Ningamasosha nina. Discipline asiyibona kunina. If mandate ingaqhamukanga, commander in chief, you don't action that order. Because you do that, there are so many commanders. Commander MK. It was okay, it was sounding nice, but it doesn't mean that everybody now should be your commander. There's one commander, Jacob Zuma, and we all know he's very disciplined to go out and give stupid commands. Discipline, Masosha God. Ground forces, discipline. There will be those things ezohlukanisa. There will be those things over consenting us. As he should hamba manje uyoyikhuluma kuma social network and start saying hi. The enemy will see the gap and the enemy will hit hard. And next will go disorientated. And once you're in a state of disorientation, you'll face what the ANC is facing now, the state of disorientation. and the powers will take over. Focus. It's too early. Discipline and focus. Ngisho ukuthi unombono onjani, ufila kanjani nombono ufuna ukuventilate. Discipline for now. Njengamanje i-airtime esinayo yokukhuluma nabantu bejoyina umkhonto, bevotela umkhonto. Sisifike 2026. If uthatha energy yakho uyishonisa kokunye, usibulele.